This is January 31st, 2016. This is the first 31 days of the new year of 2016. Hope all your financial dreams are coming true. If not, maybe www.wetttrader.LLC can help you out. Let me show you, folks, some exciting stuff going on right now. We got some big support resistance areas coming up. This is the monthly chart. This is what we call a breakout range. I'm going to show you this, folks. What a breakout range means is when all the buyers and all the sellers are evening out during the course of any given time period. And the way that I distinguish this is based on this number here, 31. This PP is 26, 5 points. If this can close at the end of the month, which we got till midnight tonight, near this 1926, this is going to be a breakout month. Now, this is exciting, and I'm going to tell you why. We're going to have to hit this PP sometime, right? We're going to have to hit this, which we will. And we'll see where we're going to go. But on a breakout, we're either going to pass this low or we're going to pass this high. We're plus or minus 5 here, plus or minus 5 here. So that means we can come to here or we can go to here. Now, let's get back down to now. That's our monthly chart. That's our monthly chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, we got some support here. We're still below the moving averages. Got some support here. Key reversal up by the PP, penetrating here. We have a head and shoulder bottom here. We're an objective of about 2,000. Okay, so that's going to take us to 2,000. So then what happens after that? That's what I said, folks. That's why you need www.wetttraderllc.com. Because I'm the only place where you can get all this great information. We could possibly make a fifth wave low. I'm going to show you a longer term monthly chart. There you go. This one's great. This one I like. This one is very visual, guys. You know what a trend is? A trend is your friend. We're going up here. This is an 18 moving. This is an 8 moving average. The green's an 18. Red's 40. This is monthly. These moving averages don't turn at a dime. That's why the market takes a little time to turn. That's why it bangs around in a range. Look at this. This was actually looking like a potential head and shoulder bottom. This was what we call a fakie. It's a squeeze. When I like my head and shoulder bottoms, I don't want to be squeezed. Or this is a head and shoulder top. I don't want to be squeezed. If I'm getting squeezed by another moving average, there's a probability it can continue with the current trend. So, that being said, look at this. We got this support here. We have this low here. It's a breakout. It's a breakout based on the numbers if we continue our close here now. Depending on what charting service you use, we got the 26 here. We got the 925, 425, 4850, 4350. 5 points possible breakout, okay? Monthly breakout. So how do we make money? One day at a time, folks. One day at a time. That's how we make money. If I know we have a potential breakout, I got some key numbers I want to pay attention to now, don't I? The software, if you look at these lines, when I put these lines on here, what this thing is doing, it's calculating the highs and lows for the Fibonacci retracement numbers. Okay? That's what it's doing here. So now this is telling me this is a significant low, that's a significant high, another significant high. Moving averages are up. We're going to bang around here now. Same thing. Now here's a trick. When we get, this is going to be a complex, this is going to be a wave 4. On our daily chart, wave 4s are very, what I want to say, volatile, and I'll show you why. Let me give you an example. Look at this here. If I came here to this 1944, I bounce back here, you know, that's going to be pretty big range, you know. You got about 50, 60 points there. And then we break out here. So, a couple things got to happen. Number one, for this week, ending February is going to be the first week. We got unemployment numbers coming out on Friday. This is my weekly chart. This is going to be solid. This is my PP, folks. This is it right here. It's going to be right around 1905. We're going to plus or minus this 1905. Looks like there's a possibility of us having a low here. Now, if it's a trade day low, we go from a high to a low. So where do you think we're going, folks? I don't care where we're going. Let's get on a train and leave the station. So we have a lot of possibility here, folks. We got the, I'm going to show you some of these other time frames. We have this head and shoulders, which is gorgeous right here. This is giving us a short-term objective. Take this low here at 1804, high here, 1904, 100 points. That's 204 points. So right there, our first resistance, it's going to be this 204 area here and this moving average here. That's going to be our first resistance. Then we look on our monthly, and you look at the next line here, because this is the line that we're going to be using here. It's going to be changing. 204. We're going to have to hit this 26. We're going to hit this 26 for sure. But if we stay above that 2004, there's a high probability we can take out these highs. High probability. I've been saying this ABC. Long-term chart, in my opinion, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 1 is down here, 2's up, it's 3, 4, 5, made a lower low than previous low here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 5-bar low. Folks, I'm telling you, if this is our 5-bar low, a 5-bar high, we would have to go back 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'd have to rally all the way to 2107. So that's what I'm telling you, folks. We either don't have the low in on the monthly, which could be a probability we don't. If we don't got this 5-bar low in here, I don't see time. We'll wait till the bar shifts, because it can be on the trade day. Formulas on the trade day, or the bar before has to have the higher low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is going to be off. It's going to move this low to here. Folks, I'm lining 5 time frames up in a direction that's going to show you folks how to make some money. So let's look for a short-term rally here. Minimum, I think we're going to probably hit, like I said, our weekly, my weekly objective, it's going to probably be 1960. We'll see what happens. We have some sell numbers in that area. We have a lot of sell numbers in that area. I want to show you another thing here. Like I said, I love this 200-bar moving average. This is a big key, folks. 200-bar moving average here. You'll get this software, this login that you have on a demo. You'll get access to these charts as well. If you're a professional trader, you'll know how to set them up. But I'm telling you, folks, great opportunity presenting itself right here. I just want to show you guys how to take advantage of it. www.wetttraderllc.com. Like me on Facebook. Let's ride this thing up to 2000, 2007, folks. We can do it. www.wetttraderllc.com. Like me on Facebook.